Most businesses don't have a lead problem. They have a follow-up problem. If you're missing calls, are slow to respond, or manually chasing leads, you're likely losing opportunities every single day. I help businesses fix that by installing AI-powered systems that instantly respond to new leads, qualifies them, and then turns them into booked appointments. No more missed calls, no more missed opportunities. That includes things like AI voice agents that answer calls and schedule appointments, website chatbots that capture and engage visitors, automated SMS and email follow-up, as well as missed call text-back systems. For example, I recently built an AI voice system for a therapy practice, managing 10 different providers, each specializing in their own category. It handled their incoming calls. It matched clients with the right therapist, and it helped generate over 100 new contacts with a 93% positive experience rate. If you're looking for leads but not converting them, or if you're paying for ads to drive traffic to your website, wouldn't you want to capture as many of those visitors as you possibly can? Wouldn't you want a smarter, more automated way to handle inbound inquiries? Contact me. I'll take a look at your current setup and show you exactly where you're likely losing new business, new opportunities, and how to fix it.